Hey guys, it's Murphy the Cat, and today we're gonna be playing Exploding Kittens. This is a really cool game. I've played it a little bit before, but not on camera. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's do normal for start. We have Sunshine, Hizzle, Jamak, and Willow. Okay, let's start. And this is not a good deck. Man, Sunshine looks stupid.
It's your turn.
I'm gonna target him. Give me a card. Thank you. Oh, I can do it again. Come on, thank you. Hurry up. Yep. Skip. Man, my deck is awful.
Ooh.
Shuffles aren't that good. Hurry up. Come on.
Everything's gonna be okay.
Dude.
Ah,
Hurry up.
I'm so scared.
Thank you. Okay, well, I got another skip. Oh yeah, and I am very aware that I have not uploaded in a little bit. That's just because, like, I took another break. Yeah, I was getting a little bit bored. Okay, good. He's attacking that stupid guy.
1, 2, 3 kittens.
Wonder what he's seeing.
You.
Let's steal another card. Okay,
1, 2, 3 kittens.
we're in the clear. Shut up.
1, 2, 3 kittens.
Wonder who that was. Come on, Willow. You need to hurry up. These people suck. Yes. Yes. Oh man. Thought he was gonna die. I'll probably play this a couple times. Maybe Oliver still can play it. Ooh, Exploding Kitten. Because he skipped. Yes, he's getting attacked. What are you gonna do about it?
You.
Why me? Shuffle. What?
Ooh. Pew pew.
Listen, I'm crying. Put it bottom.
It's your turn.
Oh, yeah, I'm good. What? No. I'm done. I'm done. Let's leave. Okay, that was okay. Kind of boring. Let's try another round. Okay. Let's do Streaking Kittens. What a weird name. Waiting for players. Okay, let's exit. Go back in. Okay, we have Shark. And, oh no, not the stupid weirdo. No, I will not do that. Okay, and Catnip. Even though it's pizza. Let's go. Oh man, not a good deck.
It's your turn.
I mean, not interesting. Ooh, I got 2 steals. Come on. Hurry up. Oh, yeah, let's go.
Hum nom 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 nom.
Hum nom 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 nom. Probably gonna place it on second to attack me.
Your turn.
Let's go. I'm in the clear.
You.
Reverse. Yeah, it's good. It's a game. I don't know. Not my favorite. That was kind of shocking. I forgot about that. He was like, okay, it's Catnip's turn. Okay, that's mine. No. Okay, it's a lot better. On the bottom.
I like.
He looks weird. The bird dude. He got it because I put it on the bottom. That's what you get. Now I'm gonna keep targeting him until he dies. Blah.
You.
Of course, he puts it right on the top. What a noob.
It's your turn.
Steal. Now, steal again. Let's use this.
Potato.
Yes, everyone's stealing from him. Let's do this. Yeah, we just lulled him. Lulled him.
Hack soup.
Everyone's gonna steal from him. That's really funny. Let's make him go. Yes, he died. That's what he deserves. We only have 2 exploding kittens up now. Oh, wait, he's alive, I guess. My 5 scary game video should be coming out in about a week. I'm still finding, like, oh my god, no. Oh well, I'm still finding, like, games to play. I need 2 more, then I'm good. Let's leave. You know what? How about Stella plays? Because I bet she wants to play it. Because I'm getting tired of this game. Stella, play this game. Okay. Bye, guys. Okay. We're going to play with ourselves. Because I've never played this game before. Let's do Streaking Kittens. Let's do the hard one. I said the hard one. Oh, I need to do medium. What? I guess I have to do easy. This sucks.
Good luck.
Shut up. Nobody cares.
You.
That's what it sounded like. Oh no. Put that there. And he looks stupid. Let's put it on the top.
I am full of fear.
Good for you.
Everything's gonna be okay.
Of
Course. Little cheater, because he's a computer. He probably put it on the top. Of course he did. Just attack.
Oh. You.
Phew. I'm still alive.
I see everything.
Streaking Kitten. What does that
It's your
do?
turn. Your
This
turn.
game sucks. It's so boring. Ha ha ha.
Everything's gonna be okay.
Of course it is, since you have multiple diffusers.
You.
I got
Wait,
pants
what? Oh, so
It's
that
your
lets
turn.
you hold an exploding kitten. And I'm dead. This game sucks. That's Murphy when he takes a poop. Toaster cat, you suck. I'm ending it here. Bye. This game sucks.